Alright, in this video we're going to look at question on analytical geometry. Let's say we're asked to solve this question. Feel free to pause the video and try it yourself. So a rectangle has a vertex of 1, 2, B 4, 2, C 4, 6, and D 1, 6. They now mention that scale the rectangle by a factor of 2 in the x direction and by a factor of 3 in the y direction. Find the coordinate of the new vertex. Alright, so we have solution here. Now remember, in my previous video I explained the concept of coordinate geometry. So to solve this we need to get the points. So point A is given as 1, 2. Point B is given as 4, 2. Point C is given as 4, 6, and point D is given as 1, 6. Right, like this. So since they mentioned the shape, so we can just assume that the shape is in 2 dimensions since they mentioned a rectangle. So at this point here, let's say this is like point A and it's 1, 2. Point B is 4, 6. Point C is 4, 6 here. Sorry, this is point B, 4, 2. Then point 6, 4, 6, and point D is 1, 6. Alright, and they mentioned that the scale in a rectangle by a factor of 2 in the x direction. So the factor of 2 in the x direction, x, the factor of 2, the scale factor is 2 in the x direction, and the scale factor of y in the y direction dimension is 3. So this is what we need, and is in 2 dimension. So what are we going to do now? From the formula of scale in 2 dimension, so I can say the scale in the x direction, that's x, is equals to the scale factor multiplied by the value of x. Now for the first one, what is the scale factor for point A? Scale factor, which is 2, number 2, multiply by x, which is 2 here, which is 1 here, which is 1, will give me is equals to 1 here. Then similarly for the y, scale factor of y multiplied by y, so this is going to be equals to what's my scale factor? Which is 3 multiplied by y. My y is 2, number 2, so this is going to be 3 times 2, that's 6. So the new scale factor of A this time around is going to be 1, 6. So our new scale factor is going to be okay, here I'm just multiply 2 times 1, giving me 2 here. So 2 times 1 will give me 2 here. For A is going to be 2, 6. Now for B part, it's the same thing for B part, which is this. So we're going to say our value of x prime is going to be our scale factor, which is of x, then multiply by x. This is going to be my scale factor is still 2 here, that's 2, multiply by x, which is for B, x is 4. So this is going to go 2 times 4, that's 8. Then for y also is going to be scale factor of y multiplied by y. So what's my scale factor of y? It's going to be 3, since it's 3 already here. 3 then multiply by 2, which is b, times 2 will give me what? Will give me 6. So for b it's going to be 8 and 6. So next for c, we're going to do for c. So what do we have for c? We have 4 and 6. So x prime is going to same thing as scale factor multiplied by x. What's my scale factor? What's my scale factor, which is 2? That's 2 multiplied by what's the value of x for c? Is 4. Let's put 4 there. That's 4. Then 2 times 4, that's 8 also. Then for y prime, this is scale factor of y multiplied by y is going to be scale factor, which is 3. 3 multiplied by for y, which is c, is 6 multiplied by 6. So if we multiply the 6 times 3 is 18. So for the last part, which is d, we'll say that x prime is equals to scale factor multiplied by x. Scale factor for x is 2. 2 multiplied by d. D is what? For x is 1. Is 1, which is 2. And y prime is equals to scale factor of y multiplied by scale factor of y multiplied by y is equals to, what's my scale factor of y? Is 3. That's 3 multiplied by the value of y for d is 6. So we have 6 here. So 6 times 3 is also 18. So the new coordinates of is going to be the new coordinates for is going to be a is 2,6, 2,6. Then b is going to be 8,6, and c is going to be c is going to be 8 and 18. That's 8,18. And d is going to be 2 and 18, 2 and 18. Alright, so that's my final answer. So don't forget to like and share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.